In this next unit, we'll be learning about how to write equations of lines. And we'll be doing this in three different forms. First, we're going to start with slope-intercept form. Remember that slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, where the m stands for the slope and the b stands for the y coordinate of the y-intercept. So if we're asked to write the equation of a line whose slope is -2 and whose y-intercept is 5, all you're doing is using the number that they give you for slope and putting that in for m, and using the number they give you for the y-intercept and putting that in for b. So then our solution would be y equals -2x plus 5. We can also do this from a graph rather than from a verbal description. In a graph, remember that you can find the y-intercept by finding the place that the line crosses the y-axis. In this case, it would be right here at 0, -6. So that means that the b value would be -6. You can find the slope using rise over run. So we're going to count from the point at 0, -6 to the point at 3, 0 by counting up and over, rise over run. So first we'd have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spaces up, and 6 is positive, so +6 is our rise. And then we'd have to go 1, 2, 3 spaces to the right. Right is also positive, so our run would be 3, and then that would reduce to 2. So our equation is y equals mx plus b. Our slope was 2, that goes in for m, and our y-intercept was -6. You could write plus -6, but it's probably a little cleaner to write -6. So y equals 2x minus 6 is the equation in the graph.